Hello, kindergarten. This will be your last lesson on dinosaurs. I hope all of you were able to learn about dinosaurs this month. For this lesson, you will have the chance to make your own dinosaur. So I'll explain a little bit about what you will do, then you can start making your own one. So I would like you to turn to this page that I have on the screen here. It says Dino Shapes at the top, and it has a bunch of different shapes on it. So on this page, kindergarten, you can cut out any of the shapes and glue or kind of just play around with these shapes to make your own dinosaur. So for example, if you want your dinosaur to have a scaly back, okay, you may want to cut out the triangles to make the scales, kind of like what we would find on a triceratops. Remember, you can see a picture of a triceratops at the bottom of the page here. They kind of have a scaly back. So if you want to have a scaly back, you can cut out some triangles. Play around with the shapes that you have here, kindergarten. You can be as creative as you like, but I want you to use what you know about dinosaurs to help you make your own one. So we talked a lot about how some dinosaurs have sharp claws that help them tear apart other animals so they can eat them. We also talked about how some dinosaurs also have long, flexible necks so they're able to reach the tops of the trees to eat some leaves. Kindergarten, you can make an entirely new dinosaur made up of your own imagination, or if you really like one specific dinosaur, then you can draw and write about that dinosaur as well. So for example, if you really liked the Tyrannosaurus Rex, then you can draw and write about that. This page is if you want to play around with the shapes to make your own dinosaur. Once you know what dinosaur you're going to make, you'll move on to the next page where you will write about your own dinosaur. Okay, so at the top you will have to write your name. So if I were writing on this page, I would write Miss Salvador's Dinosaur Report. And then in the first blank, or in the first line, you're going to fill out your dinosaur name. So whatever name you come up with, kindergarten, you can fill that in. You can put it measured. Okay, you don't have to fill this one out because we didn't really talk about how dinosaurs or how big they were. But you can if you want to. If you want to say 6 feet or 7 feet or 20 feet, you can also put that. It walked on, and you're going to circle one, on 2 legs or 4 legs. Okay, it's up to you. It was and this is where some of the stuff that we talked about, it was a plant eater. So we call plant eater a herbivore. Or you can say it was a meat eater, which we call a carnivore. Now, if you want your dinosaur to be a dinosaur that eats both plants and meat, remember we call those omnivores. So we can also put omnivores, and I'm going to write omnivores down. So that's if you want your dinosaur to eat both plants and meat. And then you're going to write about any special features of your dinosaur that you made, okay? So for example, if you decided to have your dinosaur have very, very sharp teeth, then you can put that down. Like I said, if you want your dinosaur to have a long neck, that also works as well. All right? When you're done writing all the special features about your dinosaur, you will then turn the page over, and you will just draw a picture of what your dinosaur looks like. So you have this whole page to draw what your dinosaur looks like. Try your best to draw a dinosaur. It doesn't have to be very, very perfect, but do use the different shapes that you've cut out to help you draw your dinosaur out. We will not be taking this page in for marks, kindergarten, but if you would like to show us a picture of the dinosaur you drew, please send it to us through email or through Class Dojo. It would be really fun to see what you've come up with. Again, you don't have to, but if you feel really excited or happy about it, then you can. All right? And that's it, kindergarten. I hope you really liked this unit. It was a fun unit for me to plan and record. And Miss Salvador was also learning about dinosaurs as well. I will talk to you soon, kindergarten. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.